So in this question, what we have, even though independent gas oiling stations have been having a difficult time, Suzanne Solomon has been thinking about starting her own independent gas oiling station. Suzanne's problem is to decide how large, she wants to decide how large her station should be. This is the question she wants to know. Answer. The annual returns will depend upon both the size of the station and the number of marketing factors related to oil industry and demand of gas oiling. After careful analysis, Susan developed the following table. So, the first column gives you the size of first station. So it can be small, medium, large or very large. So these are the alternatives that she is having, that she can either go for small small station, medium station, large station or very large station. Now what are the states of nature? Nature, it's the market condition. So these are states of nature, because the market conditions are not in her hand. What is in her hand? The size of the gas oiling station. So good, fair and market conditions are there and these payoffs are given. Okay. Now, so what this payoff represent? Like suppose if she construct a large gas station and market conditions are fair, she is going to get a benefit of $30,000. Okay. Now you need to help her in making the decision. What is the maximax decision, minimax decision, equally likely decision, okay, and minimax regret decision for which opportunity loss table is needed. So let's look into it one by one. So when we talk about maximax decision, so we know that we have to take the maximum from each alternative and then maximum from the selected alternative or the alternative with the maximum one. So these are your alternatives. Okay, so we select the maximum in each of it. So what is maximum in it? 50,000, 20,000 and minus 10,000. So maximum is 50,000. Maximum in the second row is 80,000. In the third row, the maximum of 100,000, 30,000 and minus 40,000, it is 100,000. And from the last, like when she open a very large shop, the maximum profit that she will get is 300,000. Now we have to select again maximum from the last column. Okay, so what is the maximum from this? This is the maximum. Maximum is 300,000. Okay, which comes from very large decision. So maximax decision means the optimistic criteria. Optimistic criteria. So this says that the maximum value is 300,000. So she should go for very large gas oiling station. Okay, this is the decision. This is the decision, and it is important to write the decision. Now we'll find the decision corresponding to maximum criteria. So again we have to select the minimum from each alternative and then the maximum from each alternative. So we select minimum from each alternative. The reason we are writing minimum here, because this represents alternative. Okay, sometimes it may possible that alternatives are listed over here. Okay, so don't assume by default that always you have to select minimum from rows. Okay, so minimum in the small size is 10,000 with negative, and here minus 20,000, and here minus 40,000, here it is minus 160,000, and then you have to select maximum in the last column. So what is maximum of these numbers? So the maximum is minus 10,000, which is coming from the first one, means the small size of the first station. So we know that maximin means the pessimistic criteria, the person who is negative thinker. So this says that as the maximum value is minus 10,000, which comes from small size of gas oil and station. So decision is open small size gas oil and station. Okay, now we go for the next one. Now what we want equally likely decision. So equally likely is also known as Laplace criteria. Okay, and here we work with the average. So we have to find average for each alternative. So we will find average here. So what will be the average of first one? 50,000 plus 20,000 plus and then minus. So it is minus 10,000 divided by 3. Similarly for second one, it's 80,000 plus 30,000 and then plus minus 20,000 over 3. For third one, it will be 100,000 plus 30,000 minus 40,000 divided by 3. And for the last one, fourth one, it is 300,000 plus 25,000 minus 160,000 over 3. So here for small, this is the calculation for medium, and this is the calculation for large and very large. So this gives us 20,000, then 30,000, 30,000 and 55,000. So in Laplace criteria, what we are doing, we are calculating the average and then selecting the maximum, selecting the best. Best means maximum. So the maximum value is 55,000, which is coming for very large job. So as the maximum average comes from very large gas oil and station, decision is open a very large gas oil and station. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Now as we have to answer find the result by minimax regret criteria, for that we want the opportunity loss table. So this is your payoff table. So to get the opportunity loss table, first we have to select best in each state of nature. What is best in each state of nature? So in the first state of nature, that is good market condition, best is 300,000. In the second one, best is 30,000. In the poor market condition, best is minus 10,000. So we will prepare a separate table. So now when we are obtaining the opportunity loss table, what we will do? The best is 300,000. So 300,000 minus the actual one, which is 50,000. So we subtract each of the payoff with the best. Similarly here, 300,000 minus 80,000. Here 300,000 minus 100,000. And here 300,000 minus 300,000. Similarly, for fair market condition, maximum is 30,000. So 30,000 minus 20,000. Here 30,000 minus 30,000. Here again 30,000 minus 30,000. Here 30,000 minus 25,000. And for the poor market condition, as the maximum is minus 10,000, so it's minus 10,000 minus and then minus 10,000. So this minus is nothing but it will become plus. Similarly, minus 10,000 minus and minus 20,000. So again minus become plus. This is minus 10,000 minus 40,000 and then minus 10,000 minus 160,000. So when we do the calculation, we give this numbers with blue as the entries of opportunity loss table. Now next is to do the minimax regret criteria. For minimax regret criteria, we know that there are two steps. First step is to get opportunity loss table, and the second step is to follow minimax regret. Okay, so minimax regret we have to follow on opportunity loss table. So it means we have to work on this table with minimax regret. So if it is asked to find the decision by minimax regret, it is certain that you have to find opportunity loss table first. So let's work with it. Minimax means we first select maximum from each alternative and then we go for the minimum. So for that we draw this additional column to get the maximum. So what will be maximum for the small? 250,000, 10,000, 0. So the maximum is 250,000. And then in this one 220,000. Remember, we have to get the number from the blue because that are the entries of the opportunity loss table. In case of large station, it is 200,000. And in case of very large station, it is 150,000. So we done with the maximum, and then we have to select the minimum in the minimum of last column. So what is the minimum? Minimum is 150,000, which is coming from very large shop. So here the decision is to go for very large gas oil station. So this is how we find the solution by using in the decision making uncertainty environment.